Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So today's video I bring for you beautiful room decoration, modern room decoration, kitchen decoration and bathroom. So I hope you are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can start wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the kitchen, looking very beautiful kitchen, the modern, you can see the freezer and the gas, you can see very beautiful decoration and design. This also you can see it is the normal, you can see the small cat, beautiful cat, and the window you can see mirror outside, you can see, and the decoration is very beautiful, very good decoration. You can see it's also very beautiful, you can see the lamps and all, beautiful lamps and all, and down floor you can see beautiful floor. It's also very beautiful, you can see the full of mirror, you can see outside looking very beautiful. You can see the wall and all in white color, looking very beautiful. It's also you can see very beautiful, you can see a kitchen, you can see kitchen outside, you can see in the sides, you can see a small cupboard, you can see very beautiful. It's also very beautiful, coming inside and stairs up for going up, and the floor you can see beautiful decoration and good design, this one. It's also very beautiful, you can see the plant there, and the sides you can see the small lamp. It is like olden time but beautiful, looking very beautiful. Sometimes like olden time but looking very beautiful, very attractive. You can see the cupboards also there inside of this, beautiful. This also you can see very beautiful, you can see the kitchen, and there you can sit and eat, then can you go, beautiful place, white color and blue color. This also you can see VIP bathroom, modern. You can see the bathing place and the lights, and you can see up everything very beautiful, very good looking. This also you can see the up bulbs and all, and the down floor you can see that the decoration is very beautiful. This is also very beautiful, the floor is shining, and the door also very beautiful, black color, the lamps black color, everything very beautiful. It's also very beautiful, you can see the lamp and the small mirrors and all, and the door you can see the table, you can see this one also very beautiful, you can see the small plant and the wall decoration, beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful, you can see the lights, the bulbs, and the window outside, you can see. This also you can see very beautiful decoration. It's like somewhere you're going for playing, beautiful place they made. This one also I like this one. This is also very beautiful kitchen, you can see the decoration, very beautiful decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and share with your friends for entertaining, for bringing for you beautiful videos and all. So comment me down if you like, so I will bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, love you all guys.